Blair, this is Bree. I watched your video about the braid top knot bun thing. Sorry. And I tried it out and I like it. This took me about 4 minutes with, battering on my other video, and I didn't want to put it up because it was making weird beeping noises on my webcam, which is probably still doing, so sorry if it is, and I'm sorry if my voice shoots up and it's like, Wah! Anyway, I have naturally curly hair, so this is what it looks like with curly hair. I chose to do mine kind of low. I didn't want to put it right up top, and I think it turned out pretty good. And I couldn't really see the back of it, so this is just going like this. So, you know. I think it turned out pretty good, and I'm glad that I saw your video. Bye.